Okay. Put hands together for these beautiful ladies from our village supporting David. Omani, feeling the city in the feeling it, city quality. Whenever I go to the cool and thank you for supporting David. And to all the TikTok houses in the house and those who love David Cool and not supporting David Cool. What do they call when you see these beautiful people, these beautiful young ladies, Sinelo Kavali, Manila Balavaso, love and support is what we need in this world. Thank you so much for loving me. Okay? Thank you. I'll invite you to the rooms and the channel. Thank you. Love us all. And of course, to my mother out there, I know my dad was here earlier, my family is here, my fans are here, but Joanna is a special person. I will always treasure and love. Baby, don't fire man, but baby, but the girl at Yemen, you will put baby. Yes, and baby. Let's take a feel automatically take on channel coming. And I thank you so much. Thank you for loving me. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, moi kule kombogal, come on. Tufele maso, muri Tuatule is home. And I want to thank you so much. Njagala kubebaza okujanga wano supporting the music industry. Ngena someza bali mukaga. Omuyimbi yenna ayina okukola omwaka mulambo okulaba nti abeera wano. lwansonga emu si lwakuba tulinawo ezzalawo no naye ekiwatule ojja okusanga muntu ng'amanyi nti audience etula ekiwatule ebeera yankalakalira ate nga yansalasale. Thank you so much. Personally mbeerawo n'entambula nembalaba nembabuuzaako netwekuya ku bifaananyi naye nina ensonga lwaki nkikola lwansonga nti eno audience eno yanjawulo naye mu audience eno buli kiseera mbeba njagala okulawo ekyenjawulo. Omwaka ogwaggwa mwalaba Katalya ne Kando abaaliwo sijakyo naye mulabye enjawulo yaabwe omwaka guno mulabye akuuse nnyo mwongera okuwagira abayimbi be Uganda. Okay, naye mu support yange n'okuzimba music industry sirekeraawo mbeera njagala nnyo okuwa abantu platform ne support kubanga mpulira buli lwendaba omuntu yenna ng'akimenkinga ngamba singa nooli. So ladies and gentlemen, right now I'd like to introduce to you it's my friendly Zenawe make me tell you I'm so easy and I got a calling make me busy Zenawe make me tell you I'm so easy and I got a calling make me busy. Ladies and gentlemen, mwekule kombogal, come on. Tugere maaso, muri bulungi.